Good morning, class. I gave you the short introduction about prepositions. Now I am going to start with the exercise. The more we discuss, the more we are going to get confused. Yes, it sounds weird to you, but for preposition, the thing is, once we start the exercise, you see the pictures and slowly you will get it. Okay? It needs a lot and lot of practice. Underline the prepositions in the following sentences. Number 1. Loveleen looked at the storybooks. Loveleen looked at the storybooks. Here, at is the preposition. At is used when we are looking at something. Number 2. Rohan lives near Mahatma Gandhi Road. Rohan lives near Mahatma Gandhi Road. Near मतलब पास में, close to it. So Rohan lives close to Mahatma Gandhi Road. Near is the preposition. You have to underline it. And here at. So underline at. Number 3. The wallet is lying on the table. The wallet is lying on the table. Table के ऊपर है. On it. On the surface of it. Right? Number 4. We will have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Now, when we are referring to a particular time, the exact time, we use at. Like at 8 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. When the time is mentioned, we use at. So underline at. Number 5. The puppy was sleeping under the table. As you can see in the picture, the puppy is sleeping under the table. Table के नीचे है, right? Coming to the next question. Radha gave the ice cream to me. Radha gave the ice cream to me. To मतलब to whom? किसको दिया? To me. When we are referring to the other person with whom or to whom the action is done, we use to. Number 7. He banged the door behind him. He banged the door. Banged यानी पटकना, दरवाज़ा पटकना. He banged the door behind him. Behind मतलब पीछे. Behind is the preposition. Underline behind. Number 8. The men ran after him. After मतलब बाद में या उसके पीछे. Right? The men ran after him. My friends, after is the preposition, you have to underline after. My friends stay near my house. My friends stay near my house. मतलब पास में रहते हैं, right? So near is the preposition. Underline near. Number 10. The rat peeped into the hole. Into यानी अंदर और peeped यानी झांकना, झांक कर देखना. तो जो चूहा था वो झांक रहा था होल के अंदर. Into the hole. Now let us look at some of the more examples to understand on, at and in. Read the following sentences. The train arrived on time. When we are telling about the time in general, we use on. We are not talking about a specific time, but we are referring time in general, so we use on. The bus arrived at 7:30 a.m. When we are giving the time, we use at. I already said this before. When the exact time, कितने बजे, exact time is mentioned, we use at. I did my homework in the afternoon. Now, when we are referring to a particular period of time, not the exact time, not the exact second, but the particular period of time when the action is done, we use in. Now, afternoon can be at 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, right? कभी भी हो सकता है. So exact time is not mentioned, but in this time period, इतने वक्त में, या दोपहर को या सुबह, but not the proper exact time, correct? So we use here in the afternoon. The preposition on, at and in are often used to denote time and are called prepositions of time. So on, at and in are used to talk about the preposition of time because it mostly tells us the time. The letter came on Monday. When we are mentioning the day, particular day or date, we use on. The test is on 8th December, right? The date is mentioned here and the day is mentioned here. So we use on. She came back in the morning. Again, as I said, specific time is not mentioned but the period of time कि इतने वक्त में, सुबह को कभी भी, सुबह 6 बजे भी हो सकता है, 8 बजे भी हो सकता है, राइट? तो सुबह को कभी भी किसी भी टाइम पे वो आ सकती है. शी केम बैक इन द मॉर्निंग. द एग्जामिनेशन इज इन डिसम्बर. द एग्जामिनेशन is in December. Again, when we are talking about months, we use in. He returned the book at night. Okay, so book उसने कब रिटर्न की थी? रात को, at night. When we are talking about a particular time period, we use at. They came to our house at 8 p.m. They came to our house at 8 p.m. Okay, now let us begin. Fill in the blanks with at, on or in. They are arriving on Monday. The train arrived at 3 p.m. So they are arriving on Monday. On is used when the day is mentioned, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. जब कोई day mention किया होता है तब हम on use करते हैं. The train arrived at 3 p.m. When the time is mentioned, exact time is mentioned, we use at. The train arrived at 3 p.m. He met us at night. Again, when the period of time is mentioned, we use at. He met us at night. The wedding is in April. The wedding is in April. When the month is mentioned, we use in. He has a meeting at 8 a.m. He has a meeting at 8 a.m. Because here the time, exact time is mentioned. So we use at. I arrived in the morning. I arrived in the morning. She came to pick me at noon. She came to pick me at noon. The wedding is on 20th April this year. The wedding is on 20th April this year. So this is your homework, exercise A and exercise B. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.